Hi, everyone. Welcome back to SpeakUp English. Learn from zero. Today, we're going to the bakery together. Let's learn how to buy bread, cakes, and pay politely in English. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and practice English with us every day. Ready? Let's go, John.
Yay! I love bakeries. Let's get something sweet.
Wow, John. Look at all these delicious cakes and breads.
Yeah, it smells so good in here.
Do you know how to ask for something at a bakery?
Maybe I want that one?
Almost. But let's make it polite. You can say, I'd like that one, please.
Oh, I'd like that one, please. Got it. Sounds more polite.
Perfect. Let's go order something. Hi there. Good morning.
Good morning.
Remember, when you start an order, greet the staff first. Good morning or hello.
Okay, then what do I say next?
You can say, I'd like a loaf of bread, please.
Let me try. I'd like a loaf of bread, please.
Excellent. Now, add something sweet.
I'd like a chocolate donut, please.
Nice. You sound natural already.
Thanks. What about if I want two?
Easy. Just add the number. I'd like 2 chocolate donuts, please.
Got it. I'd like 2 chocolate donuts, please.
Perfect pronunciation, John.
Anna, how do I ask, how much is this?
Good question. You can say, how much is this if you point to one item? If it's more than one, say, how much are these?
Oh, I see. How much is this for one? How much are these for many?
Exactly.
Let me practice. How much is this croissant?
Perfect.
How much are these muffins?
Excellent, John. You're ready to order for real. Okay, now imagine the cashier says, that's $5, please. You can reply, here you go, or here's $5.
So I can say, here you go.
Right. And when you get your change, don't forget to say thank you.
Oh, and the cashier might say, have a nice day.
Exactly. And you can reply, you too.
This is fun. Can we try the full conversation?
Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like 2 chocolate donuts and 1 croissant, please.
Sure. That's $5, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Perfect. That's how you buy food politely and naturally at a bakery.
It's so simple when you explain it like that.
Let's sit down and enjoy our snacks.
This donut is delicious.
What's your favorite pastry, John?
I love croissants. They're soft and buttery.
Same here. In English, you can say, my favorite pastry is croissant.
Got it. My favorite pastry is croissant.
Good job. And if you want to ask me, you say, what's your favorite pastry?
What's your favorite pastry, Anna?
I love muffins, especially blueberry muffins. All right, let's review what we learned today. When you go to a bakery, remember to say, 1, I'd like, to order politely. 2, how much is this? To ask for the price. 3, here you go, when paying. 4, thank you, and you too, for polite endings.
Wow, that's easy and fun.
That's the goal, to make English simple and real.
I'll try this next time I go to a bakery.
Perfect. Key phrases you learned. I'd like a loaf of bread, please. How much is this? Here you go. Thank you, and you too. My favorite pastry is... Great job, everyone! Now you can buy bread and cakes in English with confidence. If you like this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next real-life English conversation.
And practice every day with us. Speak Up English, learn from zero.
See you next time.